Now, before I go into that, remember, in English, it is always best to not repeat yourself, to use unique words each time. So that's why, instead of saying, I agree 3 times or 4 times consecutively, it is best to say either, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Ramadan episode. Hello Ramadan program. This is Coach Sara and we are at Iqra College. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the lesson of today. Today is a beautiful day. Right? Totally, yeah. You agree. Me too, I agree. So, today we are looking at how to agree. How to agree. Agree means, in Somali, it's akbalin. I think there is another word which I was just taught 2 minutes ago and I've forgotten, sorry. Qura'id. Sometimes you have a debate with your friends. And in this debate, you are asked, what do you think? What is your opinion? How do you feel about it? What do you suppose is the answer? Sometimes you say yes, you agree with the topic, agree. Sometimes you don't think it is a good idea, you disagree. Today, I'm only going to focus on 5 ways of how to agree. Now, before I go into that, remember, in English, it is always best to not repeat yourself, to use unique words each time. So that's why, instead of saying, I agree 3 times or 4 times consecutively, it is best to say either, I totally agree, absolutely, definitely, good point, sounds good. So here we go. What do you think about Ramadan? Is it a good month? I think it is a good month. What do you think? Choose one of the answers and give me the answer in the comments below. What do you think? I believe Ramadan is a very good month. What do you think? Do you agree? Okay. Now, listen up. Each time, every day during Ramadan, you need to observe the prayer times. Please don't miss that. It's very important. What do you think? I totally agree. How about you? Okay. I totally agree. What do you think? Do you agree? Most definitely. I'm sure you do. Anyway, give me your answer in the comment section below. Now, another point. Learning a second or a third language is very challenging. In other words, it's not easy. I think so. Correct, absolutely. Third point. Each time you do something good, something wonderful, so each time you are kind. This is like charity. In the religion of Islam, it's a very good activity. It's a very good character. So you need to be kind to people, especially the less fortunate. You need to help around. You need to help whenever you can. You need to give charity, give sadaqah. You need to give people the jobs if they need to. You need to give people food if they don't have food. Right? Definitely, absolutely. Okay, and learning people's culture and respecting people's culture, Dakan. Respecting people's culture. It's fundamental in living together as a unit, as a good society. I believe that when you respect somebody's culture, Dakanka, then you will live together in harmony, in peace. Right? Good point. See? Good point. And lastly, what do you think about making more practice whenever you are learning something new? Right now, we are learning about agreeing. What do you think? How about you take these words and make practice with them every day? How do you feel about that? Sounds good? Amazing. Sounds good. So thank you very much for watching this episode. I'm Coach Sara and this is Iqra College. Ramadan Mubarak.